Well, good rainy Tuesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough good Tuesday, and I hope y'all staying dry because it's like raining it all get out over here. Ooh, it is, Lord, it's been raining. What I want to make mention of, if you are new to the Home in the Sticks channel, I sure enough want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over, thank y'all for coming back. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today, since it's raining, we finna get off in this shack, and I want to show you that something that I've been building on. So give me a second, and that's what we finna do. All right, y'all, we are in my shack slash growing room, keep a whole bunch of junk things. But let me spin you around and show you what I've been working on. Look at there. Anybody guess what it is? You and y'all know that I've been in last year and in the past I have grown wheatgrass. I actually built a wheatgrass rack that was kind of like a slanted rack that each level had a slight incline on it where these trays sat. And as you watered the wheatgrass, as the water ran down, it would fall into the next container and then trickle down and fall into the next container. Well, what I found was it was rather awkward, the way that it was set up. I didn't really think it out. I actually just threw it together just to see if it worked, and it did work. But I came up with this system right here. Instead of a tall rack system, I went with a wide rack system. And here is my just little growing trays that I have. You can get them from the Lowe's or from wherever. They just seed starting trays. And they sit in this contraption that I built. And I want to say this is 34 inches long by 21 inches this way. Premise is to grow more wheatgrass, have it sitting here, and of course I'm going to have some holes drilled in each one of these trays for drainage. Pick this up. As these trays drain the water off, it's going to fall into this piece of gutter that I have right here. Alright, Dan, what in the heck? Okay. My main goal behind this project right here was to use nothing but stuff that I had on hand. I wanted to reuse, reclaim everything that I had that I could use to build this system over here at my Home in the Sticks. I didn't want to buy anything. So this is what I came up with, and I'll show you all the pieces. Of course, all of this is reclaimed wood that I have. None of this stuff is square, and it's pretty sturdy. But I doubt it's square because it's all reclaimed wood. And I just basically build two boxes and some legs, and I actually tilted this thing on an angle for drainage. This is some gutter that I had laying around that I had just left over from my rain catchment system. And as you can see right here, I had to make some modifications. I just took a Dremel tool and dremeled off some of these pieces so I could use this end cap right here. And down towards the other end, I actually have an end cap with a downspout. See the downspout? So the thinking behind it is, I have my trays set up with my wheatgrass. I water the wheatgrass. It drains from the ends of these trays right here, and it falls into this gutter system, runs down, goes down into this downspout with a little bit of piece of gutter that I had left over into maybe a bucket that's going to catch that water. And what I did was I actually set this piece of gutter on an angle. I want to say it's a half a bubble with a level, and water's going to seek its lowest point, so it's probably just going to drain down there. I've already tested it, works pretty good. What I'm going to have to do, because I had to do some modification of sorts, I'll probably just throw me a bead of some food grade silicone just to seal these end pieces up, and we should be good to go. So here's a little shot of, I took the seed starting trays and pushed them back. That's what it's going to look like. Water from, when I water these wheatgrass seeds, the water's just going to drain off, hit this gutter, run that way, and drain down. Pretty simple. We're just going to have to see how it goes. And again, my main goal in doing this little project was to just repurpose and reutilize stuff that I had just laying around. Didn't want to spend any money on building this. And this is what I came up with. Now, I think it's going to work. Wheatgrass is good for everything, even human consumption. And the horses and the chickens seem to love it. So all I'm going to do is just grow 3, maybe 4 pounds at a time in this system. And I think that'll be good enough for me. So y'all, Lord have mercy, it is raining. Gosh almighty, I'm just sick of the rain. We slated for more rain probably till Sunday from what I understand, just from watching the Weather Channel. But hey, it's okay. There's a ton of stuff that I can do indoors. I actually have a few more things going on. I'm just waiting on some parts and pieces to get in. And I'm going to share that with you too. But it seems like my shack is turned into like a grow room. Again, I hope everybody is having a Showing Off Good Tuesday. And I hope your Tuesday is good wherever you're at. I'll just put it to you that way. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home to Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look. Because I'm always doing stuff. Really? With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Reffer is showing up, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You showing up, get your shine on. I guarantee you, shine is important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.